and welcome back to B&J's Little Farm. Today I'm going to do a keto recipe. This is almond flour, apple cinnamon muffin, muffins, or you can make a bread loaf out of it. I was gifted this box from a sister from church the other night, so we're going to make this up and try it. Funny thing is, I normally don't make anything keto from box or low carb. I always make everything from scratch. But I was reading the ingredients on this, and actually they're not too bad. This is probably the first box keto product that I've seen that doesn't have that many ingredients. This one has apples, almond flour, arrowroot, coconut sugar, coconut flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and sea salt. So we're going to make these up for Barrett and see what he thinks of them. The ingredients calls for a half a cup of water, so I've got that in my mixing bowl already. I'm going to add in the product, and then it calls for 2 tablespoons of vanilla. It calls for 1/4 cup of oil. I chose to use avocado oil. And then 3 eggs. And that's it. I'm going to stir that up real good, incorporate everything. It smells really good. It smells like cinnamon and apples. Barrett did request for some walnuts in here, so I'm going to chop up some walnuts too and put in here. Actually, I already have some shelled chopped up pecans, so I'm going to use some of those. Do about a half a cup. And then I went ahead and got my muffin pans out. Oh, I gotta turn my oven on. I'm not sure what temperature. 350. So temperature is 350. And I got my muffin pans out. I went ahead and put silicone thingies in there. What do you call them? Anyways, and then on top of that, I put, on the bottom I've got just a baking sheet. So that looks good. It's all mixed up and incorporated. Now I'm just going, the box says they make 12 muffins, so we're going to see. Just try to evenly pour them in the muffin tray here. Ooh, that was a lot. And I went ahead and sprayed it down also with the avocado oil. go back and backfill. Yeah, made quite a bit. Definitely got 12 muffins out of that. So now what I'll do is I'll take this over to the table and slam it down a couple of times so that there's no air pockets. And do the same thing with the second one. Alright, now again I started my oven out at 350. It says 15 to 20 minutes. So we're going to pop those in for 15 to 20 minutes. And I will be back with the results. Just checked the muffins. It's been 8 minutes and they're really brown. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those out and put them up here. I'm going to check them and make sure they're done on the inside. Nope, they're not done, so I'm going to go ahead and put them back in. It's been 20 minutes. Yep, it came out clean, so we're going to go ahead and let these cool down, and then I'll be back with a taste test. Alright, the muffins have cooled down, so Barrett's going to do a taste test, and while he's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and let you know. So, the macros in here, the total carbs are 14 grams of carbs, which is pretty high. However, there is, let's see, there's 2 grams of fiber in there. So, total carb would be 12 grams of carbs. Total sugar is 7 grams. So, not bad for store-bought product. So, what do you think? What's the results?
It's good. Real good.
So, that recipe made 12. That box made 12 of them. So,
well, you need a glass of milk, though.
Yeah. Alright, well, there is our review on Simple Mills almond flour apple cinnamon muffin.
Walnuts.
And, well, pecans. I didn't use walnuts.
Nice and tender. Soft.
That's good. Alright, thanks for visiting B&J's Little Farm. Until next time, stay happy, healthy, and safe.